Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in a trade on Euro JPY. I would have been in on 3 trades because all of my trades are winning right now. So, excuse the background noise. I am watching the football game, the Thursday night game. That's the Minnesota Vikings game and the LA Rams. I'm neither one fan, but I am a fan of football, so I'm watching the game as well. But yes, I'm back at it again. I take a withdrawal of my last account, and I did lose after I took out the withdrawal. So I've been honest and blunt about the situation. I came back live once more. This is the first trade live since being back. About 2 weeks ago, kind of did some a little more detailed with strategies. The strategy. I just want to be a little bit more detailed. And, right now, I'm up close to 20 pips right now with 37 minutes left on the clock. You have to see I would have been in 3 trades if I was in it. I'm in this trade here. So, yeah. I will get back with you guys momentarily when these 37 minutes is over. Yo, 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 what's going on, y'all? 2 minutes left. We have, some downside movement, but not a whole lot. I know it reached furthest like 130.28. But let me double check that. Let's see. Oh, I can't see that. Yeah, 132.28. But yeah, I'm seeing what's going on. Yeah, that's what's going on with the charts here. Right now I'm in profit. 37 bucks. Starting balance is 110 bucks. So I got a long ways to go. Looking at the account value, it's not gonna really do me no justice no time soon. So my focus is just putting out good trades like this one. We got under 2 minutes left right now. We're just gonna wait this trade out and see what happens. During Ford SUV season, find out when more people come back to Ford. Excuse the background noise again, y'all. Here's a reason. We've got room. And here's another. Waze says it's faster to take the side street. Perfect. And by the way, Ford has won more J.D. Power Initial Quality Awards than any other brand. Now during Ford SUV season, get 0% financing for 60 months, plus $2,000 total cash back on Escape, Edge, and Explorer. Only at your local Ford dealer. Day mornings on FS1. Ever wonder why the quarterback is often the best looking guy in a team? Think about it. Who gets the ball on the playground in the 4th or 5th grade? The handsome kid. The girls think he's cute, the boys think he's cool, and this process begins. There's even a term for it. It's called quarterback face. You dropping off or picking up? You know, the thing about dynasties, people say they don't like them, but they watch them. It's like the Powerball. People play it because they want to be a college football doubleheader on Fox. First, Michigan battles Northwestern. Then BYU takes on Washington. Unbelievable. College football. It all starts Saturday at 4 Eastern on Fox. Welcome to the Toyota Halftime. Let's go places. Everybody excited? You got excited here? We're outside Fox Square here in New York City. We're excited for some football. We had our Toyota play in the first half. We saw a lot of great play out there. If you wanted offense, you got offense. Combined 48 points, 560 yards. The shocker. And I know the Vikings last week, they didn't score any points in the first half, down 27-0. They came out a lot more aggressive in the first half, TV. John Deal football, their offensive coordinator for Minnesota, only ran the ball 6 times last week. That's him right there. But on the opening drive, which covered 13 plays, he opens up with 5 runs and 8 passes. Nice job. Great. I'm telling you right there. Cousins dropped 2 right inside. Then there's a run down the middle of the yard line, setting up, looking, good pass protection, back to the outside. Oh yeah, I didn't see the trade over, but the trade's over, guys. I didn't watch the countdown. I'm too busy on my phone. Yeah. Sorry, we went too long. 5 minutes. That's a whole lot. Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all. Another victory.